Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Wiz. I've been taking a break from the channel and I've been exploring a lot on the AI side. So my recent project, I've been trying to create an IDE with agentic, autonomous agentic coding capability that works with Ollama local, so that you don't need to dependent on the tokens given by the LLM providers. You can use Ollama. So here is a short demo. It is not a complete product yet, but it can do certain good things. So I'll keep posting on the devlog on what is being done. So I already created this to-do app using the agents here. So it has some issues. Let me try fixing the code through the agent itself. So it will create a plan and ask for approval, and then it will start executing the commands to read and edit the files that you have in the workspace. So it has given me a plan. Okay, I'll click on always run. So it has failed because it was trying to do the same thing again and again. So I'll be fine tuning that going forward. This is just to show that what I've been working on. As I said, it is not a complete product yet. So I'll keep posting on the devlog. Stay tuned to see the progress on this tool. Once this is ready, I'll be releasing this product, so it might be useful for people who don't want to use the credits and wanted to use their local GPU for AI code generation. Thank you. Thanks for watching.